Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. Yoga is the ancient practice that started in India thousands of years ago. In today's busy world, yoga teaches the importance of balance and inner peace. Peoples of all age can do yoga and enjoy its benefits. By doing yoga every day, we can live a healthier and more disciplined life. Let us make yoga as our daily routine and spread awareness about it. Do yoga every day. Keep stress and disease away. Thank you.